Alright, we got our seat pan finished. Now we're going to on the bottom here. A little ugly on the bottom, don't mind that. Gonna make it a little adapter for that. So what we're gonna do is over here. So what I want to be able to do is be able to, when I take, if I have to take the seat off, I can just turn it off. So I just got a cheapo brass valve, and then I'm gonna, this thread you can't, I mean there probably is a tap, but it's meant for like a crush fitting. So we're going to drill this out, and then I'm just gonna slip it in there and solder it, and this will be just one whole piece. So I'm gonna drill that out right now. Might have a problem here. We'll see. We might not have enough meat on it. Oh yeah, cool. Just clean off this face a little bit so it sits nice and flat, and then we'll solder it. I need to see, it's probably a little toasty. See what angle it sits at, so I'll make sure I get this right, and it'll be something like a this underneath the pan. We'll be able to cut her off. Hell yeah! Alright, so here's what we're talking about. I'm gonna go like that. We need to trim these up a little bit so we don't hit. It's real close. Not much. So heck yeah. Then we'll mark it, I guess, what way it needs to go. And then just get our solder on, baby. I might have to pull this apart. I don't know if there's probably like an O-ring or something in there. Probably pull that apart so we don't melt the O-ring. Yeah. Alright. Flux her up a little bit. A lot of flux there. Okay. Marks are lined up. I don't know if this will be good enough. If not, I'll just grab the big torch, but the big torch seems excessive. We'll see. So that's on this big steel piece, so it might just heat sink. I don't know. We'll see. I don't like it. Stay straight for a fucking minute, please. Stay straight and together, please. I think that's good. Alright, success. So, it'll have some Teflon tape on it. But there it is. Wee! Be like that, and then we'll have our tube come down the middle. And yeah. Okay. So we got our Zeus fasteners. I'm gonna try to do it on this so I don't have to make a plate. It'll probably be a little bit easier. I think it'll reach. So we're gonna rivet these in, and then go from there. Yeah. I don't know. I'll begin right here. Huh. I guess it's good. Alright. Alright, we popped our hole for our Zeus fastener. Pull out the rest of the holes. Oh yeah, there we go. Wow, that's half. Cool. Bit. Boom. Now let's go test her on out. Yeah. It's locked. That's it. Cool. Here's what we wanted. We got that. Now we gotta do one on the back side. Probably have to make a bracket for that instead of utilizing something like that, but that's just fine. Cool beans, bro. Cool. Big skate, baby. Man, these mosquitoes are killing. Yeesh! Pop the hole here inside. We're just gonna do another Zeus fastener. So, watch me as I drill another hole. Nothing to flush. Cool. Should just have to make a small tab off of this. Check it out. Alright, so we got this one on there. We got this we made right here. This is gonna weld underneath it. That should be pretty solid. So what I'm gonna do is pop it on there, and then I'll tack it, and then I'll pull it off, and then I'll fully weld it. Struggling on the ground trying to get this thing on there. Oh, it's bad. Pretty sick. Let that cool. Might try to get the bottom, but it's just a tight angle. I might just wrap it around if I can. Actually, I could probably do it from here. Wrap it around the bottom. But really, it doesn't even need to be that strong. That should be plenty strong. Yo. So we got her all put together. So that's what she looks like for now. I took out some measurements to make the front spacer for our sweet little Brembo calipers. Once I make those spacers, probably, I don't know when that's going to happen. I have to use the lathe, and I'm kind of busy this weekend, so I don't think I'm going to do that. Once we do, it should look pretty sick. And right now, I'm just doing the piece of wood for the seat. And then I'll take it and get upholstered with something, I don't know. Haven't decided yet.